I was just days away from starting my radiation therapy when I got a call this week that it was being delayed. Luckily for me, it's just a short delay for now, but that's not the case for so many others.
Tonight, Anna Rashova is treasuring every moment with her 2-year-old daughter.
Speckle chuckled and shook his head. No.
After learning her last hope to beat stage 4 colon cancer, a clinical trial for an immunotherapy drug is being postponed.
To be so close, and it's almost like right there in front of my face, yet I can't touch it. It's definitely heartbreaking.
Hospitals across the country now deciding many clinical trials could expose vulnerable cancer patients and health workers to COVID-19. But Anna's doctor worries she doesn't have time to spare.
They're talking about that it now might be July or August. So July or August is infinity for people like me.
Nearly 2 million Americans are diagnosed with cancer every year.
The unfortunate and very sad reality is that for many of those patients, they do need that treatment now.
Hospitals are asking many to do appointments online, skip follow-up visits, and in some cases, even delay treatments. Also being postponed, routine screenings like mammograms and colonoscopies, raising new concern that cancer diagnoses will be missed.
They're closing clinics, not only for cancer patients, but for other patients as well.
Even urgent surgeries like organ transplants are being performed on a case-by-case basis. For 35-year-old Anna, it's especially hard seeing other young people ignoring the guidance on social distancing.
I am someone's sister, I'm someone's mother, and for those people to be so irresponsible, for them to want to grab a drink is more important than the reality that we live in.
A reality that may mean COVID-19's victims aren't just those who contract the virus, but those who now can't get treatments they need.
I love you.
Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, New York.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.